In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare page rules like a pro. Whether you're optimizing your website's performance, enhancing security, or managing redirects, Cloudflare page rules are a powerful tool that can help you customize how your site behaves. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and fine-tune these rules to get the most out of your Cloudflare setup. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your web browser and go to -clackclackloud.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure to select the domain you want to work with from the list of domains in your account. This ensures that the rules you create will apply only to the specific domain you're working on. Once you've selected your domain, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a variety of options here, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the Rules section. Click on that and then select Page Rules from the submenu that appears. This will take you to the Page Rules interface, where you can manage or create rules for your site. To start creating a new rule, click the Create Page Rule button. This is where the real customization begins. The first thing you need to do is define the URL pattern that the rule will apply to. You'll see a field labeled If the URL matches. Here you can enter the specific URL or pattern you want to target. For example, if you want the rule to apply to your entire site, you can use a pattern like example.com. If you only want it to apply to a specific section, such as your blog, you can use example.com blog, and if you need to create a rule that includes multiple pages or subdomains, you can use an asterisk //. For instance, example.com/larf apply to any page on your site. After defining your URL pattern, it's time to set up the rule itself. Click the Add a Setting button, and you'll see a list of options for configuring the rule. Let's go over some of the most commonly used settings. One option is cache level, which you can set to cache everything. This is particularly useful for caching not just static assets like images and scripts, but also HTML files, which can significantly speed up your site. Another setting is Edge Cache TTL, which defines how long content is stored on Cloudflare's Edge servers. You can also enable Always Use HTTPS to force secure connections for the specified URLs. If you need to create redirects, the Forwarding URL setting allows you to set up 301 or 302 redirects easily. There are other settings you might want to explore as well. Browser Cache TTL allows you to control how long visitors' browsers store files, which can help reduce unnecessary requests to your server. The Security Level setting lets you challenge or block suspicious traffic, adding an extra layer of protection to your site. Remember, you can combine up to 3 of these settings in a single rule if needed, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, as you're defining your rules, it's important to plan your patterns carefully. Cloudflare processes rules in order, and the first rule that matches a request takes priority. This means that if multiple rules could apply to a URL, only the first matching rule will be used. So take some time to think about the order of your rules and test them thoroughly. Once you've configured the settings to your satisfaction, click the Save and Deploy button. This will activate the rule and apply it to your site. To make sure everything is working as expected, visit a URL that should match the rule you just created. Check to see if the changes are behaving as you intended, whether that's caching, redirection, or another setting. And that's it. You've successfully created a Cloudflare page rule. With these rules in place, you can fine-tune your site's performance, security, and functionality with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.